If you're in the process of deportation, also known as removal proceedings, that you have an experienced immigration attorney represent you, be sure to tell the authorities that you want to have a lawyer represent you. If you go to your hearing with an inexperienced attorney and you are ordered to leave the United States, it's very unlikely that you will win an appeal. When you make an appeal, you are saying to the court that you believe that the court that decided your case didn't make the correct decision based upon what was said and presented to them. Appeals of decisions to deport are made strictly on the transcript of the hearing and the evidence that you or your attorney submitted at the hearing. If you or your attorney didn't say the right thing or present the proper evidence, you will not have another opportunity to do so at your appeal. For more information on the subject, call us toll-free at 855-625-0800 to schedule a free consultation.